You are the creator of your reality. You came here to consciously create your reality. You came here to be an alchemist. You came here to learn how to navigate the energy and how to manipulate the energy. You really came here to learn how to manifest anything you want. Because when you are manifesting, it's actually something that really adds to your soul's conscious evolution. So the more you grasp how this universe really works and how energy works, the more you elevate your spirit, your soul, your true self. And this is actually so beautiful because it actually means that you came here to make this reality your playground. That's right, you came here to make this reality your playground. So whatever it is you want, you can have it. Just like that, it's so simple. You can have anything you want. There are no limits to manifesting. The only limits that exist are the limits that you create in your mind, that you create through your belief system. But essentially, there are no limits to manifesting. There are no limits to what you can manifest. If you want something, you can have it. That's it. Because we live in an energetic universe and everything is energy in the universe and everything works according to the energetic principles in the universe. And that means that whenever you match the frequency of the thing you want to experience, whenever you align your energy, your vibration with the thing you want to experience, you have no other choice but to actually experience this thing and actually get this thing. Because this is how powerful you are. You are a powerful creator of your reality. So very often you may think that you have no control over your reality and things are just happening to you, which is not true. And I don't ever want you to believe that it's true, that you don't have control over your reality, because you have all the control over your reality. However, the control over your reality comes from the inside. It never comes from the outside. And this is the biggest trap that most people fall into. They try to push and force change in the external circumstances without addressing what's going on in the internal world first. And you have to address the internal, because the internal is creating the external. In a quantum realm, in an energetic realm, in the quantum model of reality, the internal is creating the external. So the more you harmonize the internal, the more you understand what actually is going on in the internal, the more external is taking care of itself, because external is just a reflection of your dominant energy. So if you want to transform your reality, or if you want to manifest something new in your reality, you have to just understand that you have to create a vibrational match inside you for this thing, in order for this thing to actually appear in your physical reality. That means that if you want love, you need to become love on an inner level. That means if you want abundance, you need to become abundance on an inner level. That means that if you want success, you have to become success on an inner level. It's all about this internal training. It's all about learning how to embody the state of your wish fulfilled. That's why every manifestation teacher always tells you to embody the state of your wish fulfilled. Because when you do this, you actually broadcast this energy into the universe, and of course you're going to get a reflection of this energy in your physical reality. Because whenever you shift your energy, whenever you elevate your energy, you actually shift into a different timeline, your desired timeline. There are infinite timelines in a quantum field, infinite timelines in a quantum field. And all you have to do is align with the timeline that you actually do want to experience. Because you are already aligned with some kind of timeline. And perhaps you align with this timeline unconsciously, because you are not aware that your energy creates your manifestations and creates your reality, and that you're essentially manifesting something every second of your life. But the moment you just have this knowledge, you have to become more conscious. You have to pay more attention to what's going on in your inner world, in the world of your thoughts, in the world of your feelings, in the world of your behaviors, dominant behaviors, in the world of your identity, your self-concept, and how you perceive yourself. Because all of these components create your inner world, and your inner world creates your outer reality. So you really have to teach yourself, and you really have to teach your body how to embody the state and the emotions of your desired reality, of your highest timeline. So think about your higher, better self who's already experiencing the reality of your dreams. Like, what are the feelings that this person would feel? What are the beliefs that this person would cherish? What is the self-concept and the identity that this person would have? And basically start embodying the qualities of this person on an inner level every single day, because the more you do this, the more you actually convince yourself and your subconscious mind that it's the current reality, and the more you actually send out this like very powerful, strong, high vibration into the universe, and essentially you just align with the reality you want to experience. So you never actually have to like force anything in the external, because all you have to do is take care of the internal, and the external will take care of itself. And I know it sounds tricky, I know it maybe sounds too simple, but it's actually that simple. The universal law, in essence, is very simple. You get what you put out. You put out love, joy, abundance, you get love, joy, abundance. You put out fear and anxiety, you get fear and anxiety and negativity. So it's all about taking care of what's going on inside you, because this is the foundation of everything. Your energy is the foundation of everything. You are the creator of your reality, and you create your reality through your energy, through your vibrational alignment, through cultivating high vibrational beliefs and high vibrational feelings. And really, when you start shifting inside, you will notice such powerful shifts on the outside, because the outside will just have to mirror your new energetic state, your new state of being. When you elevate yourself, you elevate the entire reality, because you came here to create. You came here to have fun. You came here to get anything you want, because this is how powerful you are. And I want you to remember about your power, because you can always, just always create anything you want in life. It's all about the inner awareness and of the fact that the internal always creates the external. So I hope that right now you will understand that the true power always comes from within. The true power always comes from you working on yourself, elevating your state of being, and having fun while you're doing this. Like, harmonizing your reality and manifesting the things you want to manifest should be fun. It should be fun. You came here to have fun. You came here to discover your true power. You came here to be your true self. You came here to shine. You came here to bring joy to the world. So allow yourself to be joyful. Allow yourself to be happy. Allow yourself to raise your vibration, because magical things happen when you raise your vibration and when you cultivate this like higher energetic state. Like, true magic will happen in your life, and you will start attracting things out of nowhere. You will start attracting all of the synchronicities, like right people will just show up in your reality. Right circumstances will just show up in your reality out of nowhere, because you're gonna be broadcasting this like strong energetic signal that is going to draw those experiences to you. But you certainly cannot experience high vibrational magical circumstances if you dwell in lack and limitation and negativity, because this energy just cancels your blessings. So cultivate the energy that will allow you to connect with your blessings, because you deserve it. You deserve to have a wonderful magical life, and it's all about your inner alignment. It's all about your energy. Take care of your energy, because your energy is the foundation of your entire reality. And the more harmonious the energy, the more harmonious your entire reality becomes, because your inner world is a blueprint for your outer world. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.